Okay, so first of all, I'm going to search for Flourish and then select Flourish Studio and then click on Get Started for free. And this is where you would create an account. I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in. Then go to New Visualization and scroll down until you find the pictogram and then select Stacked Bars. This is the template data that it comes with. I'll switch to the Data tab and then press Ctrl A to select all and delete to get rid of all of the data. Then we need to put in new data, so I'll open up a new tab and search for BBC Olympics medal table. And then click on this link here. And then click and drag to select the top 10 countries and Ctrl C to copy and then go back to Flourish and Ctrl V to paste. Now I don't want the totals column here, so I'll just right click and remove that column. Also in the countries column, ROC here stands for Russian Olympic Committee, but I'm just going to change that to Russia. Then I need to rearrange this table, so I'll select the gold, silver and bronze columns and right click and then combine columns, or in other words, unpivot. And confirm. And now I need to change the columns here. So the main category is going to be the countries and they are in column B. And then for the subcategories, that's going to be the different types of medals, gold, silver and bronze, and they are in column C. Then the value is going to be the number of medals, and that's in column D. I don't want to have an icon ID, and then the colours are going to be the different types of medals, and so that's column C again. Then we'll go back to the preview. And you'll see now that the new data is here. I will now name this visualization. And then we can format this chart using the options down the side here. So I'll change the bar orientation to horizontal and also flip the bars so they're on the other side. Then for the icons, I'll use one of the inbuilt icons. And that will be the award. Then I'll also switch on Use Filler Icons and change the filler colour so it's a little bit paler. Then for the colours, as there are only 3 colours, I'll use the Custom Override. And for this, I need to put in the category and then a colon and then the colour I want to change it to. So I'll open up another tab and search for gold hex code and enter. And then I want it to be a metallic gold. So I'll select this code here and then copy and paste it into Flourish. If I click off of the box, it will update and then the gold medals are actually gold. Then for the silver medals, I'll just type in the word silver as that is a named colour. And then for the bronze medals, I'll use a hex code again. So I'll change this here to be searching for the bronze hex code and then just select this code here and copy it and paste it into Flourish. Then for the bar labels, I will change the colour of these so they're actually black, increase the size a little bit, and then change the font from bold font to normal. Then for the axes, I will flip the axes. So now the country with the most gold medals is on the top. And I also don't think I really need the word here saying countries. I think that's pretty obvious. So I'll change the axes title to custom. and then just leave the text box blank. Then for the ticks and labels, I will change these so the labels are a black font, and then also increase their size a little bit. Then for the legends, I will put these in the center and then also increase the size a bit. Then for the value legend, I don't think I really need a legend here saying that each symbol is equal to 1 medal. I think that's obvious, so I will disable this legend. And then I'll go to the header tab and I'll give this a title. Then I'll put this in the center and then also change the size of the font to make it a bit bigger. Then in the footer tab, I'm going to delete the source name and the source URL as they are left over from the template data we had at the beginning. Then I also want the chart to actually be in the center, so I'll go back to the Axes tab and change the space mode to fixed. Now that I have the chart formatted the way that I want it, I will go to Export and Publish and download the image. Okay, so in this video I have shown you how to make a pictogram for the Tokyo Olympics using Flourish, and that is everything.